Hey all, Kyle Schuster here, one of the co-founders of Autobound. Excited to show you how our new job opening insight works. So if you ever wanted to reach out to a company and do the research and figuring out what kind of job openings do they have, how can I position my value prop against those job openings? Perhaps I can replace those roles. So they don't need to hire all these expensive employees. Perhaps I can augment that role and make them more productive quicker. Or perhaps I'm a recruiting company and simply can fill those roles. Whatever your use case is, that can now be automated within Autobound. The way this works is first you need to tell Autobound which types of roles you want to start tracking. Now we are going to populate your account with some job opening insights that we think make sense, but of course you can go back and check those later. So here you see I'm in insight control. You'll see I'm able to create job openings here. I already have a handful that I've created, but I'm going to go ahead and recreate this prospect hiring SDR role because that is important for me as a salesperson at Autobound. So first I'm going to give it a name. Cool, what are the keywords found in those titles? Now you need to be exact here. Think of this as like a contains field. So what are the common keywords that are contained in SDR position? So we've got SDR, BDR, sales, development, representative. Now, if you want to exclude words, maybe you want to like exclude manager. So you're only focusing on like lower level tiers. That's totally possible. Just hit that exclude button. Next, do you want these keywords to be found inside the job title or the description? So maybe you're just looking for certain roles that fulfill a certain function that, in their responsibilities, they talk about, hey, I do XYZ things. And that's like a really big trigger for you to go reach out and make sure that, hey, by the way, you don't have to do this anymore manually. We can do it automatically. So you can search within the job title or description or job title only. And then we'll go ahead and hit continue. Well, our AI has figured, hey, we know a lot about your company and you just told us what you want to track. Let's try and figure out like what does this mean when a company is hiring SDRs, for example? How does it help Autobound bolster our value prop? So let's go see what this actually looks like when I'm generating content. All right, so let's click this open. Let's see. So we got a bunch of different insights here, scrolling down, and here we are. It looks like they're hiring AEs and SDRs. I've gone and selected this one. They're hiring about 50 various areas all over the world. You can actually hover over here and click in if you want to go view these roles. I'll go ahead and hit continue. Continue. All right, let's see here. So Salesforce SDR ramp time with 50 plus SDR hires at Salesforce. Onboarding reps to full productivity is likely priority. That's awesome. So it really shows that I've done my research and ties in how we can help, enabling new reps to hit the ground running from day one. That's becoming from that talking point where I've guided the AI and how I want it to think when they're actually hiring SDRs. So hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions.